Now, the final tip that I want to give you with troubleshooting is if you feel like the responses you're getting are either too long or too short. Now, this is a super easy one to address. Either provide the length that you want in the chat or tailor your prompt towards the length that you're expecting. So if I want a short story, I'll make it clear that I want a short story, not a novel. If I want something a lot longer, I will ask ChatGPT to provide me a long blog post. If I know the character count, I will ask for exactly that, and I'll tell it, can you provide something close to the character count of 1,500 words? Like I mentioned earlier, I have noticed that ChatGPT does have a bit of a character limit. Not sure exactly what it is, but it does provide very limited responses. So make sure that you're tailoring or prompting further to ask those questions, allowing ChatGPT to expand more. Make sure though, when you are planning on prompting further, that you don't ask ChatGPT to write a complete response in your first prompt. The issue that you will find with that is that ChatGPT writes, for example, 3 paragraphs where the final paragraph actually seems like it ends the topic or ends that response. And that's not what you want if you plan on continuing. So I would provide one topic, allow it to finish that, or a paragraph, allow it to finish the paragraph, and then prompt for a second paragraph. Break it up, break it down, and really allow ChatGPT to go piece by piece rather than giving you large blobs of information. And that's how you can get longer responses from ChatGPT.